Candy. Good morning.
Oh, good morning, Justine.
Here for my first day of work. I'm a little nervous, I have to admit.
Oh, don't be nervous.
But I'm glad you came early because the post rider just came right before you arrived, and there is a package for you.
Oh, I forgot. This is the post office of the town.
That's
this is
right.
the center of this little town.
That's right.
For me, you said?
I know everything
For me?
that happens here.
There's a...
Yes, there's a package for you. It's up on the
Why
bar.
would someone send me a box?
I don't know. Let's open it and see.
That one?
That one there, yeah.
This one.
That one there.
It's...
I'm as excited
heavy?
as you are.
This one.
Must be nice, yes. It's the only package I got today.
Oh, there's multiple.
Ooh, there's a letter.
Smell pepper.
Yes.
Oh, that's pepper.
That's pepper.
Black pepper?
Are you going to sneeze?
I will if I continue to smell it. I don't know whatever this could be.
It looks like salt or sugar.
And there's a letter with it.
Well, let's see who it's from.
Of course.
Ooh, peppercorns. Very expensive.
My nose gave it away.
This is a very nice gift.
I haven't a clue who it could be from. Dearest Justine, I find it continuously hard not to have your friendship here with me on a daily basis. I am blessed with a great amount of roughly mannered gentlemen. Oh, besieged with a great amount of roughly mannered gentlemen that work with Rick on our new land. Rick. Oh, I know who this is from. This is from a very old friend. I haven't seen her since we were at the convent together.
Wow.
Does it say where it's from? The box? I lost touch with her.
Oh, somewhere in the Spanish territory.
She made it out all the way out there?
I suppose. Out west.
My husband informs me he needs the rough gentleman to help him, as this is a harsh land to inhabit. But oh, how I wish for the company of a grand lady such as yourself. This must be for somebody else, surely. But I know this
It
woman.
says, Dear Justine.
Full of dignity and etiquette.
Well, you have dignity.
It can't be for me. But it is for Justine. I am Justine. And I know this lady. Don't mind me beaming. Now, I know how to read, but I'm not that great at it. I will speak of cheerier things as not to waste this precious ink on paper. Ricky has informed me that I may spend quite a considerable amount of money to buy pepper and send it to you, as we are able to financially afford such a wonderful gift. I am sending you this care package, as for the life of me cannot for a moment consider you, my friend, living in a small cabin in the wilderness without some worldly creature comforts.
This is definitely for you.
I do live in a small cabin in the wilderness.
Yes, you do.
Someone must have told her about that. I haven't been in communication with her for
It was not me.
3 years. Such a lady has never been born before. No, it's not for me. Such a lady has never been born before, with such dignity and poise such as yourself. You are indeed a grand lady who I cherish to call my friend. Oh, what a lovely lady. Now I miss her. The only comfort in my thoughts these days are that you have that that strong man, Ron, to protect you, as life with the savages can be dangerous indeed. I am sending you tea, salt, pepper, and some cloth to sew a new garment, as winter is fast approaching, and the cold will set in soon. I was taught how to read in the convent, but I only had maybe 1 or 2 years of lessons. May you be truly blessed in this life, for I do truly miss your company. Forever your friend, Anna. I never remembered her last name.
Let me see.
Stelling.
Stelling.
I only knew her by her first name, Anna Stelling. This feels like cloth.
Oh, it is.
Oh, wow. I love this color.
Oh, we could make you a nice short gown with that.
Yes, I can make a short gown from
So
this.
let's see.
I have to look good for the customers.
Pepper,
That's
some
useful.
fabric.
That's very useful. There's one
Oh,
package left.
make sure you save your paper and twine.
Oh, what
We
for?
must economize. A good frugal housewife will save all of her paper and twine. Good frugal housewife will always save her paper and twine.
What do we do with the paper? We burn it?
No,
Kindling?
no, you never know what. I actually have something to make that I can show you that I've used from saved paper.
What's that?
A little decoration for Christmas time.
Oh, okay. I'm
My people
interested.
come from Germany, so I have lots of interesting things that we do Christmas a little differently than you do here in America.
I'm very interested to see what you come up with.
Yes,
Just paper.
It's beautiful.
Now, this is the last package here.
All right.
Gunpowder tea.
Ooh,
Young Hyson tea.
very expensive teas.
Tea? She sent me tea?
She did send you some very nice,
Wow.
luxurious gifts.
I was quite nice to her in the convent.
Evidently, because she thinks you're a
Evidently
grand
so.
lady, which you are.
Well, thank you. This is probably the first time in my life anyone's ever called me a grand lady.
I'm sure Ron probably thinks you're a grand lady.
He thinks it, but he
As
hasn't
well
said
as
it.
me.
And that's salt, you said?
Yes, it's salt.
I hope it's sugar.
No, that's salt. But that's okay.
But
This would be
that's
good
so
for
good.
curing your meat this
Yes.
winter.
Whenever we have it.
That deer Ron got.
Oh, yes. That's true.
Very nice.
This is a very nice gift.
Mm-hmm.
So show me
Yes, I'll show you my little
German
decoration.
decoration.
Yes. I'll be right back.
We have about 40 minutes before opening.
That's right. This won't take long. So you asked why we should save paper. This is some butcher paper that I saved. And I cut it into strips. And my people came to America right before the French and Indian War, the 1750s. And they were Moravians. They were from Moravia.
Oh, I've heard of Moravians.
Yes. So we're going to make a Moravian Star with our saved paper.
Why do they call it a Moravian Star?
Because the Moravians would make these as part of Christmas decorations that reminded them of the Star of Bethlehem.
Well, that's quite charming.
Right. So I'm going to take my paper strips, there's 4 of them. I'm going to cut a little tab on the end and you'll see why. This one goes up. This one goes across and through. This one goes down and through. Don't want to cause a fire here. And this one's going to go across and through.
It's as if you're weaving a basket.
It is. That is exactly what it is. It's a basic basket weave.
Oh.
So we're going to
Oh.
scrunch it all together. There's your basic basket weave, and we're going to do a double basket weave, and it's going to lock everything in place. So we go down. You keep everything very straight. This was actually invented as a geometry lesson for boys. But being creative people, they were like, this looks like the Star of Bethlehem. And this one gets tucked in and pulled across. And then now we have a double basket weave. So now I'm going to start doing the corners. And we're just making points. It's a lot of folding. And then we're going to tuck it. And then we turn it clockwise and we do it again. These only take a couple of minutes when you know how.
You're rushing through it quick. There's no way I could do it as quickly.
Well,
as you.
that's all right. I just want to show you the finished product. And then one day we'll sit down together and make a bunch. I want to show you how fast you can make them. Now we have our 8 stars, our 8 points. See, they're all under there. So now we're going to start making a crown. And this is the hard part.
This is the hard part?
This is the hard part. So we're going to pull this out of the way and twist this around and tuck it under here. And watch, it will come out that side. I'm going to give that a little twist and a pull. And look at that. And we'll turn it clockwise.
goodness.
Pull this one out of the way. Twist it and poke it through.
This is an art.
Yes, it is. And it's a geometry lesson. I'm going to twist it and pull it through. Turn it clockwise.
Oh, so that's how you're making sort of the pyramids,
Right.
the points of the
So
star.
it's going to be three-dimensional. And sometimes it can be stubborn, like me. It's a little tighter on the back side because of those ones on the front side. So the back side sometimes is a little harder to get through there. There we go. And we just go in and we cut off the tails.
You made it look easy.
It is easy when you know how, and that doesn't take long to know how.
That's true. Everything is easy when you know how.
Right. And all we would have to do is punch a little hole in it, and
My goodness.
there's your star. Isn't that beautiful?
It
From
is.
something so simple. So think about how cute your cabin would be with those all over, like across
Yes.
as a garland or something.
Especially if I had red and blue and green paper.
That's hard to come by.
It is.
Yes, colored paper. Unless you save the blue paper from your sugar cones when you get a sugar cone, which is not very often.
Right. Whenever I get sugar, it's usually just powdered. Whenever I'm lucky to get it.
So there's a good reason to save your paper.
That's a good reason. Thank you, Candy.
You're very welcome.